everyone! Welcome back to another vlog. I'm with Mark. Hi, B.
Hi.
It's the day after Christmas and we're gonna go to Tim Ho Wan for dinner. Pero kakagising ko lang ng 4 PM kasi my body clock is really messed up. Kaya ang umaga ko is ngayon. Umaga ko, gabi ni Mark. So, anyway, simple makeup look as usual. Pero na-cut yung lashes ko kasi yung mascara from Etude House, it's super difficult to remove and kagabi parang napuwersa ko atang tanggalin kaya medyo na-cut siya lang dyan. Pero okay lang. Yun, Tim Ho Wan and then siguro lang mag-movie kami. MMFF. So, hindi ko alam. Ano bang magandang MMFF? Ha?
Baby Love.
Baby Love. Ayoko nun. Robinson's Place, Manila.
Ay na, talagang bakante yung mga jeep.
We're back at Tim Ho Wan. So excited for the box. P, are you excited? Ang favorite mo talaga yung noodles talaga, no? Love me. Oolong tea again, guys. Of course. Oolong tea. B, please pour me some. Yay. Ilan na rin ha, refill lang 4 times B para di sayang. 60 pesos kasi yung pot. Ang bilis ng congee guys. Wala pang 5 minutes. Dumating na. Yummy! Tikman mo siya, B, masarap.
Yeah, sige.
Super sarap. May chicken, may salted egg, tsaka century egg. Super sarap. Try it. Diba? Yummy. Shrimp dumplings or kakao. Yummy. Ramen cheddar shrimp naman to this time. Oh, yeah. Spring rolls, guys. Mark's favorite noodles. Oh, sarap. Thank you. Bye. We have the steamed egg bun.
Cake?
Cake, egg cake. Sarap kaya.
Noodles.
Nakatapos na ni Mark bumili ng jeans from Friend Shop. And now we're here sa Happy Lemon because Mark ordered this one from Gongcha. It's matcha. Hindi ako matcha girl, so... Hindi ako nasarapan sa kanya. So, nag-order ako sa Happy Lemon ng Oreo. Ba't ko sinishake pa? Okay na yan, B.
No, it's not okay.
Oo, tapos, nag-take out kami ng buns, of course. Tim Ho Wan. Nag-take out kami ng buns. Look at her buns. It's so yummy. We're home, guys. Tapos, ayaw mag-open ng computer ko. At sira na pala to. Oh. So, Mark's helping me choose a laptop. Because we might buy tomorrow. Might. Anyway, I'm gonna remove my makeup using the Cetaphil cleansing cloths. Tapos, since yung Etude House kong mascara mahirap suotin, ito yung nagamitin ko. I mean, mahirap tanggalin. Ito yung anihin ko, try ko. Mascara remover. If you remember my vlog, yung sa Etude House, di ba, nagbigay sila ng locker and all of that. Binakita mo to, B? Look! B! Tingnan mo. Locker na maliit. Cute, no? Oh, cute. Ayan. Try natin kung magana siya. It worked, guys. Sobrang easy yung pagtanggal ng mascara ko. The Etude House Curl Fix Mascara. So, I highly recommend the mascara remover. Totoong mascara remover siya. Tapos, I also use the Perfect Cleansing Oil. Strong and perfect cleansing. Ayan. Small size lang din siya. Cute, no? Perfect for travel. So, yun. And now, I have on my face mask. And this is from Habalisay. All-in-one. Also, one of my favorite face masks. Yeah. Hi guys, we're here sa UST Hospital. I had to rush here kasi I woke up at around 7 AM. Sobrang kati ng buong katawan ko. Ang dami kong mga panikan. Tapos they injected. Benadryl tsaka alin, steroids yata.
Oh, steroids.
Sobrang sakit. Finally discharged me na sakit. We're here at Subway grabbing breakfast. Yan. Nag-order ako ng pulled pork sub.
Subway, man.
back to using my camera na. Ay nako, grabe lang kaninang umaga. Hi, Bee! Okay na. May butas lang. So, binanaid ko siya. We're gonna go to SM Manila to have lunch and dinner. Kasi natulog kami after the hospital. Nakatulog ako sa hospital 2 hours. Pero si Mark walang tulog. Kasi naman nag-order tayo. Madami tayong in-order na shrimp. Anong shrimp yun, B? Shrimp yung parang hakaw. Shrimp dumplings. Spring rolls, may shrimp din.
Oo.
Vermicelli, may shrimp din. Alerts. Having a milk tea break with Mark. Sa gabi. Long siya. Favorite namin na winter melon. Anyway, we just finished looking around for laptops. Ewan ko. Nag-iisipan kami. Bumili kami ng AVR. Nasira yung akin. Buti lang mura lang. Buti mura. Alam mo, kala ko 1,000 plus. 250 lang. Having dinner, I have chicken bibimbap. Tapos si Mark may sinigang na hipon. Tapos Shanghai.
Sinigang na ginto.
Good for.
Pati yung nagtitinto yan.
That's the end of our night, guys. I have to go edit some videos or this vlog so that I can put it up na. Tapos, I have to pack. Kasi tomorrow, we're gonna go back to Mark's place. And then, we're gonna stay there hanggang New Year. So, we're gonna spend New Year. Like, last year ba? Nag-vlog ba ako last year sa inyo?
Last year, wala kang New Year.
Hindi ba ako umuwi?
That's last year.
Anyway, that's it. We're gonna see you tomorrow.
Uy.
Bye.
Bye.